What's good, YouTube? Welcome to the next part of the Justle Farm Coffee Lake PC build 2018. And in this part, I'm going to show you guys how to install the main thing, the Coffee Lake itself, guys. The Core i7 8700K into the motherboard, which is the ROG Maximus, Maximus X Hero with Wi-Fi AC. And so yeah, guys, be sure to check this video out, and I'm going to show you guys how to install that tiny processor right there into the motherboard right here, guys. Alright guys, so now my brother's going to help show you guys how to install the processor into the motherboard. As you guys can see, that's the processor right there.
And so there's that key.
That key right there.
The golden arrow.
There's an arrow on the processor that would be pointing down.
And that's going to be at the bottom left corner. There's another key on the motherboard.
So on the motherboard there would be another key as well.
You would see it. It's not colored right now.
Yeah.
So then I just got to delatch it. So I'm going to delatch it.
Yep. So he's going to open up that part of the motherboard.
Okay.
And as you guys can see the pins.
And this part has to actually remove, but it's on a little tight. So just give me a little sec. Press it off.
So right now he's just removing the top cover of the plastic unit that needs to be removed. And you can show that to the camera what you just removed over there. A little bit lower. Right there. So that's what he just removed, guys. That plastic cover that was previously on the latch over there.
Okay, you can see the pins in there.
Yep. So now he's going to show you guys how to install it.
I see another arrow on this, but
so in those pins right there, that's where he's going to be plugging it in. Alright, so he's just going to be dropping it in right now.
awesome.
So as you guys can see, it sits perfectly flush. That's how you know it would fit.
Yeah, and it fits in these plastic. Goes over the diode too.
There's a diode there, and then he's closing the latch. As well as the little spring mechanism that holds that into place.
Okay, that's it.
And that's it, guys. It's easy as that to install your processor into the motherboard, guys. So make sure you guys check out the next video in the part series when I show you guys the unboxing of the M.2 drive and how to install your M.2 drive into this motherboard, guys.